In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the browser console in Google Chrome. The console is a powerful tool built into Chrome that helps you see errors, warnings, and messages from the websites you're visiting. It's also where developers can type small bits of JavaScript to test ideas. Even if you're not a developer, opening the console can help you gather helpful details when you're troubleshooting a page or reporting an issue. Let's start with the first method using Chrome's main menu. Look to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three vertical dots to open the Chrome menu. From there, move your cursor down to More Tools and then select Developer Tools. This opens the Developer Tools panel either as a sidebar or a separate window depending on your setup. At the top of this panel, you'll see several tabs such as Elements, Console, Sources, and more. Click on the Console tab. Once it's open, you'll see logs from the current page, including errors and warnings in red or yellow and other messages in white or blue. You can scroll through the output, expand messages for more details, and if you're working with a support team, you can copy specific error text to share it accurately. When you're done, closing the tools is simple. Just click the close button on the Developer Tools panel. This returns your browser to its regular view and frees up screen space. Now, for the second method, which many people find even faster when they're already looking at a specific part of a page, right-click anywhere on the web page background, avoiding links or images if possible, and choose Inspect from the menu that appears. This opens the same Developer Tools panel, usually focused on the Elements tab first. To view the console, switch over by clicking the Console tab at the top of the panel. You're now seeing the same information as before, just accessed from a different starting point. This approach is especially handy when you're investigating something you see on the page and want the console nearby. A couple of quick tips while you're in the console. If the panel is blocking your view, you can resize it by dragging its edges, and you can look for a clear button to remove older messages so you can focus on what just happened. If you need to close it again, click the panel's close button. That's it. You now know two straightforward ways to open the console in Google Chrome, view useful logs, and close the tools when you're done.